Many of you may be asking, why am I dressed up like a cultist? Well, I'm dressed up like a cultist because I am literally at the very tail end of a 72-hour horror film race that I have partnered with Miranda, Wargamer Girl, her husband Tommy, as well as a bunch of friends like Big Aaron and Flo to help us make a short horror movie in just 72 hours. We have about 8 hours left right now, and I'm hoping that we get the rest of the footage. Anyways, it got me thinking, and there was a couple things that I wanted to share with you. One, if you were not aware, there is a vibrant Warhammer 40k cosplay community. As you know, cosplay is pretty popular right now, particularly on TikTok and even in mainstream media. But any of the conventions that you go to, Adepticon, Nova, even places like Chicago Comic-Con and New York Comic-Con, you will find people doing 40k cosplay. In fact, one of my very first videos, I can never remember what side. I'm so bad at this. Featured somebody making a Space Marine costume almost 10 years ago, and since then I have seen numerous costumes, including this amazing Space Marine costume. Somebody who made an entire costume out of balloons. Who would do that? Probably some weirdo would do that. So if you're into 40k and you're into costuming, there is a plethora of pre-made Warhammer 40k stuff on Etsy, all sorts of custom builds, plenty of paprika builds, which is making stuff out of paper. You can definitely get your cosplay on. Now, I have to get back to editing and filming this movie, so instead of featured creators, I'm just going to do a time lapse of building my necklace prop and my cultist altar for our horror film, which I really hope we get done, because like I said, we got 8 hours left. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell button so you never miss an update. If you want to take your patronage to the next level, check out our Patreon in the notes below. Join our Discord by following the link, and as always, we'll see you on the table.